could probably hear my fan in the background. Hold on, let me like turn this off. Hold on. Today, I am going to be working in Bloxburg to hopefully save to at least $100,000 because I'm building a house right now. Yeah, that's my house. Let's get started. And the job I'm going to be working at is delivery person. Can this thing go quicker? Thank you. Where's my arrow? My arrow, where is it at? My arrow! Where's my arrow? Where is my arrow? Guys, I don't ever work on mobile, but today's a new day. Today's a new me. My cousin joined. Oh my gosh, I'm like so happy. Okay everyone, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys like and subscribe to my channel. And hopefully my next video will be like something fun and maybe a build battle, who knows. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.